Yo, painters. I got asked yesterday by the one and only Mitch Kelly if you're ever lucky enough to meet that guy. He's a top bloke. But anyways, he asked me if I could explain to y'all what the benefits are of a bigger pump. So there's a lot, but the two major ones are, one has to do with flow rate. So how quickly or how thick of a product it can be drawn up. So the easiest way I can explain that is if you can imagine drinking milk through a straw. It's really easy. And then if you take that straw out and put it into a thick shake, it's way harder. In some cases, it's impossible. So what you need is either a bigger set of lungs or a bigger straw. So that's the easiest way I can think of it. So if you have a thick product like a waterproofing membrane or something like that, you're gonna need a bigger straw and a bigger set of lungs. That's why you're gonna go to something like a 3.29 in the Wagner range. The smaller pumps might be able to do it, but the maintenance costs are gonna go way up. Which brings me to the second point, maintenance costs. So if you take our 3.25, for example, which is rated to 2.61 liters a minute, versus our 3.29, which is rated to 3.0 liters a minute, the next size up, the 3.25 is a small stroking piston. The 3.29 is a big stroking piston. So what you get, the long stroking piston actually gets, I guess, twice the amount of work done with half as much energy. So naturally, your piston and your packings are going to last a lot longer. So on a 3.25, even though the flow rate's slightly smaller, being a slow stroking piston, you're going to get between 4,000 and 6,000 liters before you wear those out, and you've got to replace them. On a 3.29, that long stroking piston, because it's not working as hard, you're going to get closer to, you're easily going to get 15,000 up to 20,000 liters easy using the 3.29. So from a maintenance perspective, you're going to save a lot of money in maintenance. So if you're a painter who does, say, 10,000 liters a year, if you buy a 3.25, you're going to be doing a new piston and packings on that twice a year, which is a lot if you think about it. Whereas if you were just to go and buy the next model up, the 3.29, which is a long stroking piston, you're going to be doing that once every 18 months because that's 15 to 20,000 liters. So that's the two major reasons why I'd buy a bigger pump, at least in our industry. There's a lot of other reasons, but those are the main ones. So happy painting. Thanks, y'all. See ya. Bye.